All right, shifting focus to Wayanad now after BJP's Wayanad candidate Navya Haridas approached High Court challenging Priyanka Gandhi's election, stating that Priyanka Gandhi has not disclosed details about her and her spouse's assets or detail about the case against her. A political war of words has now erupted. Reacting to the matter, the Congress has now called it a BJP plot to silence Priyanka Gandhi, and the BJP has hit back at the Congress. Let's listen into the reactions that we are getting on this story.
कोई भी जा सकता है और हमको तो पता ही था। देखिए, ये प्रियंका जी भी जब से संसद में आप आई हैं बहुत प्रभावी तरीके से वो बोल रही हैं, बहुत तीखे तरीके से वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर हमला बोल रही हैं। तो हम लोगों को तो लग ही रहा था कि कोई ना कोई मनगढ़ंत ये केस निकालेंगे। अभी आपने देखा राहुल जी का एक वाकया, उन्होंने उसका बिल्कुल कहानी दूसरी बना दी, उसी तरह करेंगे ये, क्योंकि घबराए हुए डरे हुए हैं, इसलिए इस तरीके की वो चीज़ें अपनाते हैं। और अगर कोर्ट में गया है तो कोर्ट देखेगा ये सही है या गलत है।
Election malpractices run in the DNA of Congress party. We have seen that election malpractice was done by Indira Gandhi ji. Her election had been actually cancelled by the courts and then she imposed emergency. Now it seems that same political DNA has come in the family members too. When they suppress the truth, hide facts and commit corrupt practices as per the MCC and RP Act, by not disclosing legal cases and their properties. This is what is being alleged against Priyanka Vadra. But this is not just allegation of BJP. In fact, left parties have already spoken of how Priyanka Vadra violated not just model code of conduct, but moral code of conduct by taking support of Islamists like Jamaat-e-Islami. And they became like the Muslim League in Wayanad. Priyanka's election is already facing the test of legitimacy, including from our own allies.
All right, I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Neetu. Neetu, when a candidate filed their nomination, they have to, of course, fully disclose all their assets and properties. But when it comes to this allegation that is coming in from the BJP candidate, what exact proof does she has? Is she saying that not full disclosure was made by Priyanka Gandhi during the filing of the nomination?
Yes, that is exactly the claim that the BJP candidate from Wayanad, Navya Haridas, is making, where she's saying that not full disclosure of her family's assets basically was made in this nomination papers. And not just that, even the cases against her, full disclosure was not made. So these are the two contentions that have been raised by the BJP candidate Navya Haridas. They have earlier raised this before the Election Commission, but her nomination was accepted at that time. So now they have taken up this case with the Kerala High Court. It will be a long, drawn-out process. It will take some time, but the court will be on vacation now, so the case will most probably be taken up only after January 5th. So these are the two basic contentions under which Navya Haridas has approached the Kerala High Court. This will be turning out to be an issue between the Congress and the BJP, with the Congress saying that the BJP is known for registering fake complaints and fake cases, and BJP on the other hand saying that she did not make the full disclosure.
All right. Thank you, Neetu, for getting us all those details as far as this entire story is concerned.